Before you order real hard, you seriously need to see this. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this before you order real hard changes everything. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is the best investment you can make because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it saves you so much time. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Before you order real hard, you seriously need to see this. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this before you order